Monster Hunter, and we're here with the Pancake Art Challenge again. And number one, an Aquaman symbol. That's gonna be our first one. And I'm gonna start with the outline. As you can see, I have black. Oh shoot. Wait, what color is the A on the Aquaman symbol?
You can make whatever color you want it to be. It's yellow.
I gotta make it orange because we don't have it. Oh. I'm just struggling with the outline. Okay. Now I am gonna add in some green. Well, he's using that. There's even an outline around an outline on this one. And you could comment down below what, who you think won the Pancake Art Challenge.
Does it sound like something wrong? Let's try it. You know what? Here, let me pause this video for a second.
Yes. Now it's time for the fill-in. That doesn't really look like an A.
It's because it's Batman's logo.
Dude, we're making Aquaman's logo.
I like Batman.
Well, I'm learning this technique. Time to let it cook.
Cooking countdown.
Seriously. And I promise you it will look better on the other side. Trust me on that.
Hunter, you want to get Kylo some more bologna?
I got it. Mine's all done. And I'm just letting it cook.
You could probably up the heat a little bit. It's never going to cook at 1.
No.
What did you get all over the stove?
I don't know.
Gross. You better clean it up when you're done.
I will.
I'm gonna stop this for a little bit.
This is my pancake, my Aquaman symbol.
And this is my pancake. It's the Batman symbol.
But we use the same colors, and I use the outline technique, and I don't think he did. And this is, in my opinion, is my best pancake yet.
Have you seen a bottle anywhere?
We're doing a boogie bomb from Fortnite. Now, it's time to begin.
Alright.
Wait, how hot is it?
It's 2. This is fine. Alright, now for my colors. So for this one, you're gonna need your main colors like brown and black. Like mainly just brown though.
And also, we will still be needing green and orange from our last round.
I ate the rest of that. So.
Then I'll be sharing with him if he needs it. Let's also get some brown up in this boogie bomb.
Oh yeah, I need the tip of the boogie bomb. Let's make it an interesting color, like everybody would expect black, but
I actually did it black. My boogie bomb is smaller.
oh my gosh. Alright, so
I'm adding in a little bit of red. All done. Let's let it cook. Let it cook. Now, also, could I flip it this time? Comment down below whose you think won. And also, you can't see
mine looks like sherbet ice cream. I mean, not sherbet, Neapolitan.
And also, I'm gonna be needing this for a sec.
No, don't put it on your plate. Don't put it on
Why?
your plate. Gotta let it cook. Because, look at this. Look at that.
Oh. I think it looks good. I love this pancake.
Oh yeah, I'm
Just
still...
kidding. Yeah, free for all.
What is this round?
Round number 3. Free for all. We can pick whatever we want to make. So, and also, comment. Did you comment down below whose boogie bomb and whose Aquaman symbol looks better? Well, just like I said, a free for all. I'm gonna start with the outline technique, and it will be a surprise what I'm making. I will be needing a lot of black for this, and I'm wondering if you...
I don't have any.
Oh, shoot.
Alright. Now, mine just has to cook.
What is that? Wait, this isn't turning out how I wanted it to, so I'm asking, I'm just gonna eat this one too. Wait, just kidding, I'm gonna just make a crazy thing. This time I made a huge pancake.
Num num num.